Trudeau's involvement in an attempt to influence the courts to delay prosecution of SNC Lavalin, which has since been rebranded Atkins Real, was brought to light in 2019. The scandal resulted in the resignation of a number of Trudeau cabinet members, including then Minister of Justice and Attorney General Jody Wilson-Raybould. In 2021, the RCMP shut down their investigation of the Lavalin affair and accusations by Conservative Party members against Trudeau for obstruction of justice. At the time, the RCMP claimed they were unable to obtain the needed official documents to prove the accusations. Theories abound that Trudeau may have paid the RCMP to shut down the investigation. However, those allegations have yet to be proven. What we do know is that Liberal MPs are blocking the RCMP from answering questions on why the investigation was closed. Conservative MP Michael Barrett of the Standing Committee on Access to Information, Privacy and Ethics recorded the following video after a recent hearing into the RCMP's conduct was shut down by Liberal MPs without a single question being answered. Here are excerpts of the video posted by YouTuber Mr. Sunshine Baby.
The witnesses were to give testimony, and now we have government members looking to shut down a hearing on a very serious matter with respect to a criminal investigation into the Prime Minister, and we have the Commissioner of the Royal Canadian Mounted Police at the table. This is unacceptable.
I move to adjourn the meeting.
So you're officially moving to adjourn the meeting today?
Yes, I move to adjourn the meeting.
Well, point of order, Chair.
Well, it's a non-debatable motion, Mr. Barrett, unfortunately. Were you asking this on a point of order, Madame Fortier? You were just making a...
Well, Chair, that's not how these meetings are conducted. Yeah. You read your remarks. She interrupted you.
It's not.
The witnesses were to give.
I want to hear what he has to say.
The witnesses were to give testimony. And now we have government members looking to shut down a hearing on a very serious matter with respect to a criminal investigation into the Prime Minister, and we have the Commissioner of the Royal Canadian Mounted Police at the table. This is unacceptable. So we're here in the Standing Committee on Access to Information, Privacy and Ethics. We literally have the Commissioner for the RCMP in the room. We have a staff sergeant from the RCMP in the room, and we have these Liberals right there. The Liberal Vice Chair, Mona Fortier, just moved to adjourn the committee. These Liberals voted to shut it down. Mike Callaway, Parn Baines, hand him off, Iker Khalid, Mona Fortier. That's absolutely unacceptable. Look at them. They're very proud to cover up the corruption of Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. And so when we have the Commissioner of the RCMP here to answer questions, and we have the cover-up coalition do what they do, and they adjourn the meeting before the Commissioner even read his statement. And so I can tell you that we came here to work, meeting notice was given, and they are walking out of the room. They're running with their tail between their legs because they're trying to protect a Prime Minister who refused to release information that the RCMP had requested, hiding behind cabinet confidence. Now, the purpose of cabinet confidence, of course, is so that ministers are free to discuss decisions and the details of the discussions aren't released to the media. But what they've used the cabinet confidence provisions for in this case is to conceal information from the RCMP to prevent them from being able to fully investigate the obstruction of justice charges that they were looking at the time. And so it's shocking to find ourselves in a room where in just moments ago these Liberals shut down the hearing. And so we had the Commissioner of the RCMP. He was right there just a moment ago. And that's what transparency and accountability looks like after 8 years of Justin Trudeau.